Hello, I am Dr. Rashmi Singh, the principal of Euroschool Chimney Hills, Bangalore. I have 22 years of experience in school, teaching and leadership roles. I believe that to shape a child for his or her lifetime, it's important to follow the same path and become a role model for them. In Euroschool, the mesh of the curriculum is unique. We include different instructional strategies to plan and frame our curriculum. Times have changed, and the whole idea of schooling too has transformed from being a place to gather knowledge to now being an epicenter of skill development and expertise for the child. Euroschool was founded with a vision to encourage children to realize their latent talent, ascertain areas of interest, and hone individual skills, thereby uncovering varied facets of their personality and helping them to truly discover themselves. The goal for us was to create confident and responsible global citizens through a well-rounded curriculum focusing not just on academics but also extracurricular initiatives enabling holistic development. In this journey of self-discovery at Euroschool, children are well guided by our staff comprised of expert educators through engagement programs and skill building programs which build 21st century skills such as global citizenship, innovation, lateral and critical thinking, complex problem solving, creativity and reasoning, along with development of critical life skills like empathy, mindfulness and self-awareness. Euroschool Chimney Hills has a beautiful campus spread across 5 acres with large, well-ventilated classrooms and well-equipped labs. It has an open amphitheatre for public speaking activities. We have a skating rink, basketball and tennis courts to provide opportunities for outdoor sports, and at the same time, a big and spacious hall for all the indoor sports facilities. It is only when our children feel safe that they can learn and succeed academically, emotionally and socially. At Euroschool Chimney Hills, we ensure the safety and well-being of our students and staff. All our schools utilize advanced security systems and procedures for child safety and security. To make this possible, we take pride in partnering with Bureau Veritas, a global leader in testing, inspection and certification. Our institution is India's first chain of schools to receive the Safe School certification. Our dedicated School Resumption Task Force has put together a school resumption plan with complete safety, hygiene and security measures in place. We have also implemented Cove Safe, a Bureau Veritas Cove Safe Hygiene Management System certification, which will address all the hygiene risks in the post-COVID scenario. I would like to introduce you to our Senior Secondary Coordinator, Ms. Srilata PV. She will highlight the achievements of our students over the years. Over to you, Srilata.
Hello everyone, I am Srilata, Senior Secondary Coordinator of Euroschool Chimney Hills. I have teaching experience of over 23 years in various CBSE schools, and I am a strong believer of the saying by Malcolm X. Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Having spent 7 years with the Euroschool Chimney Hills family, I can assure you that the experience here has been nothing less than exuberant. Our school received the ISA award in 2017, and we also bagged a bronze medal in the 21st Taekwondo World Championship held in South Korea. Our students won a cash prize of 30,000 in the Tinkering Challenge organized by Science Ashram. Apart from these, our students have achieved laurels in various inter-school competitions like debates, spell bee, quizzes, elocution, and more. Euroschool Chimney Hills provides a curriculum in accordance with the CBSE board. We never step down in producing 100% CBSE results every year, and very proud to state that our students are excelling in different fields. Teacher competence and professionalism play an important role in the success of student learning. Our dedicated team of more than 100 teachers work closely with students to foster synergy and equanimity. They are more like mentors who guide students in their formative years. To teach 21st century learners, teachers have to become 21st century educators themselves. They are able to do so through programs like the 60-hour teacher training program, Euroschool Teacher Assessment Test, a curriculum communication platform like Argus and ReportBee, which is a student report and performance sharing platform. It's only pertinent at this stage to highlight one of our unique distinguishing features that focuses on our commitment to uninterrupted learning, leveraging digital technology. A very successful digital learning portal, Argus, has dedicated components to complement our core academic curriculum. It's a seamless ecosystem that empowers teachers to deliver the curriculum effectively, engages students in classroom by incorporating interactive, enhanced digital learning modules, and enlightens parents on the learning outcomes of the wards through real-time modules to monitor the same. The enriched features of the Argus platform also cater to the uploading of assignments, projects, homeworks, and worksheets. The assessment tools even help students to take on examinations in online as well as offline modes. The Parent App module of Argus is very popular with parents as it gives real-time details and analytics of the child's progress. Miscellaneous school news like formation of the school senate, project activities, celebrations, and competitions are also available on Argus. School is such an integral part of our students' lives, and Argus has helped us tremendously in contributing to deliver uninterrupted learning for our children, bringing the classroom straight to every child's home. The virtual schooling program is delivered through a combination of live classes, video lessons, real-time assessments, and detailed analytics. Last but not the least, the Argus app is available on all platforms, be it mobile, laptop, or desktop. Now, I'm happy to introduce our parent coordinator, Mrs. Vinudha S. Reddy, who will walk you through our unique learning model at Euroschool.
Dear parents, I am Vinudha S. Reddy, Parent Coordinator at Euroschool Chimney Hills. My journey of learning and exploring with the most brilliant school started in the year 2017. Today, Euroschool Chimney Hills has grown into a large and thriving school of almost 1,500 students spread across Junior KG to Grade 11. I welcome you to explore a world of curated, engaged learning and self-discovery at Euroschool Chimney Hills. Our learning methodology follows the LRPA model. Learning the concept with multimedia tools, reinforcement with technology-enhanced learning, practice with experience and projects, and application of the concept in the real life. This methodology is designed to pave the way for students to do well in academics along with well-balanced co-curricular activities that help children to develop their creative, sporting and musical aspirations. Euroschool boasts of a well-researched curriculum created by a team of subject experts working at our dedicated curriculum design and research development called the Cerebrum. The curriculum is constantly upgraded to suit our fast-paced times and bearing in mind the best interests, needs and preferences of children of various age groups. The curriculum has been carefully planned with hand-on activities enabling children to learn, reinforce, practice and apply all that they have learned. Curriculum delivery is well supported through our classroom, which are digitally enabled with touchscreen devices. A unique learning management system, Argus, which is highly personalized, supports learning for Euroschool students anywhere, anytime. Our pedagogy revolves around 21st century learning skills, creativity, critical thinking, communication and collaboration. With self-discovery at the core of our pedagogy, Euroschool Chimney Hills encourages fine arts and sports clubs right from grade 1. Making these activities mandatory, students are given a plethora of options to choose from and are encouraged to pursue the club of their choice and excel in the same. Skating and taekwondo that help develop strength and stamina in students are also mandatory activities. For us, it is critical that children are encouraged to pursue their area of interest through their foundation years of learning. I am proud to add that the learning system at Euroschool Chimney Hills are designed to provide for all types of learners, as it combines the best practices and revolves around Bloom's taxonomy and multiple intelligences. Mental health is just as important to us as the physical health and well-being of our children. This is taken care of through regular motivational sessions by the student counselor and dedicated workshops for parents and students. Our learners with special needs are ably supported by qualified special educators. What can be better than a school with a perfect blend of the best of academics, co-curricular and extracurricular activities with the infrastructure, vision, mission, philosophy and human resource to drive all this? We look forward to bringing you on board as partners in the foundational years of your child's life and assure you a wonderful, well-guided path to self-discovery and holistic growth for your child. Admissions are open for the new academic year 2021-22. Do reach out to us on 99 700 or write to us at info@es06.euroschoolindia.com to know more about admissions, application dates, deadline and process. Wishing you a wonderful day.